Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For all my new viewers, I'm thrilled to have you here, and to my returning friends, welcome back. Today we will talk about the head element and the elements inside it. Plus, we will uncover some advanced information that will help you optimize and enhance your web projects. So let's get started. In the previous videos we talked about the metadata. Metadata is supplementary information that provides data on other data. It helps search engines better understand the content of the page and helps browsers and devices display the page content correctly. By using metadata correctly, you can improve the user experience and increase the attractiveness of your page to search engines. Before anything, the meta element is a self-closing tag, and the sign that indicates that is the slash. We put it in the end. Inside the meta element, we will use the attributes. Attributes are special keywords used within an HTML tag to provide additional information about the element. I promise you there will be a video dedicated to the attributes. Our first attribute is charset, or you can say character set. The charset attribute tells the browser how to interpret the characters in the HTML document, ensuring that text is displayed correctly. The most common character encoding is UTF-8, which covers almost all characters and symbols in the world, including those used in web pages and emails. We have another type of meta like description. First, we will write the meta code, and we write inside it the attribute name, and this is the name of our meta, which is called description. And after that you will tell him the content of the description. So we will write content and say, for example, this is the description of our site. Of course, if we go to see the sentences that we wrote right now on the page, it will not appear on the page. Why? If you know the reason, write it down in the comments. We explained it in the videos before, and the reason why it didn't appear is that the information in the head element is information that you give to the browser in order to recognize your page. For example, if we search for Amazon, you will find under the website address site description. This is where the description that we wrote appears. Is the meta limited to the ones we explained only? The answer is no. The meta is very much, but you're not required to know them all, except the meta that you just need. After the meta element, we will explain the style element, and this is a special element for the CSS language. CSS is essential for transforming the structure of HTML documents into visually engaging and well-designed web pages. I will not write any CSS code now, but just to be aware. Also, with JavaScript language, we will write script, and we will write inside it JavaScript language. The last element we will talk about in this video is the link element. This item has two attributes as it is written in front of us right now. The first is rel, which is an abbreviation for the word relation, and it is the relation of the written file to the page I'm in, and href, through which you can describe the location of the file of the pictures and other things to link it to the website. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the crucial elements within the head section of an HTML document. From setting the character encoding with the meta charset UTF-8 to linking style sheets, each element plays a vital role in creating well-structured and functional web pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on the web development. Drop any question or comment below. I would love to hear what topics you want us to cover next. Remember, understanding the head is just the beginning of mastering HTML and creating amazing web experience. See you in the next video.